Good morning everyone, Nick with First Class Home Inspections up here in Glendale doing an inspection. The AC unit looks like it's been replaced in the last 3 or 4 years. So I want to show you something they did here. So right here we have the air handler was installed, looks like a 2015 unit. You can see right here we got the truss going up. That's how it's supposed to be. So when they installed this, they removed the truss part of this section up to here. So you can see the brackets all damaged up, allowing a gap in the truss framing. So the AC's been replaced, obviously now we see that, but now we have a structural problem because they removed that and they didn't replace it. So it really needs to be certified by an engineer that it's okay, not likely. Because that's the way the roof was designed for that. So there's no sagging or anything yet, but that's not saying there can't be. So don't skip your home inspection. Call us at First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707. We'll see you next time.